Look at yourself. No, really, look. Most of you are walking ghosts, powered by cheap dopamine and mindless scrolling. You're weak, you're tired, and your testosterone is at an all-time low. You want the life of the 1%? Then stop living like the 99%. Today we bury the old you. Here are 30 habits that will rebuild your DNA from the ground up. No excuses. No tomorrow. Let's go. Get sunlight in the first 10 minutes of waking up to reset your brain. Take cold showers. If you can't handle cold water, you can't handle life. Eat 100 grams of protein before noon to feed the muscle, not the fat. Practice nose breathing only. Stop being a mouth breather. It's destroying your jawline. Start mewing. Keep that tongue on the roof of your mouth because aesthetics start with the jaw. Get 10,000 steps daily because motion is emotion. Do dead hangs to build grip strength and decompress your spine. Stop drinking sugar. Stick to water or black coffee. Take magnesium before bed because deep sleep is where the growth happens. Fix your posture. Shoulders back, chest out, walk like you own the room. Enter monk mode for 2 hours every day with no phone and no music, just deep work. Kill the porn. Stop wasting your life force on a screen and take that energy to the gym. Read 10 pages of a real book. If you don't read, you're no better than someone who can't. Start daily journaling to get the chaos out of your head. Use the 80-20 rule and focus only on the tasks that actually move the needle. Clean your environment because a messy room is a messy mind. No social media until 12 p.m. Don't let other people's lives dictate your morning. Practice gratitude. Write 3 things you're thankful for because cynicism is for the weak. Visualize the future you and start acting like him today. Learn a high-income skill. Stop complaining about money and start becoming valuable. Use people's names when you speak. It's the sweetest sound to their ears. Never criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism is a boomerang that hits you back. Maintain strong eye contact. The first one to look away loses the frame. Use the yes loop. Start conversations with things you both agree on to build a bridge. Dress 10% better than everyone else. Style is a silent language. Practice active listening. Don't just wait for your turn to speak, actually hear them. Give sincere appreciation that isn't about looks. Admit when you're wrong immediately and emphatically. It shows power, not weakness. Give a firm handshake. A dead fish handshake is a sign of a dead spirit. Disappear for a while. Stop being so available because high value comes with scarcity. Most of you won't even finish this video. Fewer will actually try one habit, and only the 1% will do all 30. Which one are you? If you're staying with me, type "rebuilt" in the comments. Subscribe if you're ready to leave the average behind. Now get to work. Stay hard.